Manipur has registered 37 more positive cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. The samples were confirmed at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratory (VRDL) of Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS, Imphal. The total tally has risen to 1,316 in the state. The number of active cases now stands 677, while 639 individuals have recovered from the disease till now. In the past 24 hours, 23 patients were also discharged from COVID care center across the state after they tested negative. The ground floor of Archana Hospital in Upper Assam, Dirbhuga, has been declared contaminated zone after a CT scan technicians working at the hospital has been detected as COVID-19 positive. A 75-year-old hernia patient of Sepon was detected COVID-19 positive in surgical ward of AMCH on Thursday. 4 doctors, 2 nurses, 2 staff, 1 radiology technicians and 1 ECG technicians were also sent for quarantine. So far, 189 COVID-19 positive cases were detected in Dirbhuga, a report said. A huge spike of 22,771 new coronavirus patients were recorded in the last 24 hours, taking India's tally to 6,48,315 cases. A total of 18,655 patients have died since the beginning of the pandemic, according to media reports. The number of recoveries stands at 3,94,227. The recovery rate has improved to 60.80%. There are 2,35,433 active cases of coronavirus infected in the country at present. The NACN-IM has refuted the allegations of running a gun-making factory in Ukhrul in Manipur. Responding to a recent news report on Assam Rifle personnel busting a gun-making factory in Ukhrul town, allegedly run by NACN operative on July 1st last, NACN-IM stated that it has nothing to do with such illegal factory. A press release by the MIP NACN GPRN further clarified that the suspected person, Lightson, who owned the factory, is not an NACM member nor connected with them in any manner. The US notes 57,683 COVID-19 cases in 24 hours yesterday, third consecutive days with recorded number of new infections, as per media reports. The total number of cases since the pandemic reaches the US at 27,93,022 as of 8:30 p.m. with 728 fatalities, bringing the total US death toll to 1,29,405. The World Health Organization's emergency chief says that there is need to put up a fight now during a peak in the current wave of the coronavirus pandemic rather than focusing on when a second wave might come. Amid a growing clamor for holding a parliament session soon and constant increasing in coronavirus cases, members of parliament are concerned about travelling to Delhi if a call for the session does come true. According to media reports, a series of meetings have already been held by Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, the ex-official chairman of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha Speaker, in this regard. Top sources in government who have been in touch with the custodian of both houses have indicated that the upcoming monsoon sessions will be held in Parliament complex and not at any external location such as Vigyan Bhavan.